everyone. I just wanted to go over the assignments for this week to kind of briefly let you know what you should be working on this week if you haven't joined our live class sessions. So just a reminder, we do have normal class meetings at our regular time for first hour, that is 8:20 a.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For the third hour, that's 10:20 a.m. for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. So when you get on Google Classroom, you should be going to the classwork tab. You can check the daily agenda slides to make sure you are keeping on track with everything. So everything I'm going to be going over will be listed on these slides. So for today, what you should be working on is taking a look at the notes for the beginning of our unit, The Rise of Islam, and then you should be finishing slide 2 of the digital notebook. So the digital notebook is right here at the top for this week. So when you open it up, here's what you should be working on this week. I'm not posting any other assignments other than this digital notebook. I'm posting some notes, but those aren't assignments that you have to turn in. Those will just help you to fill out this digital notebook. So vocab is what you should be getting done today. Hopefully you got started on it on Friday. If not, do it today. So the vocab words, putting the definition in your own word and putting a picture in that box. And then for slides 3 and for slide 4, what you should be doing with these slides is you can use the notes that I posted today to get the information for these slides. So for slide 3 here, you're just typing in notes. So quick bullet points, filling in the blue boxes. So for background, for Muhammad's revelation, for his the Hijrah, fleeing to Medina, and then his return to Mecca. It's just a couple bullet points for each one of those boxes. And so the notes that you're using for those are already posted right here. So these slides, and then there's a video that goes over it as well. And then you're using those notes to do slide 4 as well. So these are the beliefs of Islam, or the 5 pillars of Islam. So you should be filling in this blue box here, so the line on what that pillar is. So prayer, pilgrimage, believing God, Allah is the only God. Those are at least 3 of them. So make sure you get all 5. A picture related to that specific pillar. So if it's something like prayer, maybe it's a picture of people praying. If it's, about the pilgrimage to Mecca, maybe it's a picture of what Mecca looks like today. So make sure you get the picture put in there, and then just a brief explanation of what that is. And again, like a sentence or 2 at the most. And then for the next 3 slides, you're going to be using the notes that I'm posting on Thursday. So slides 2, 3, and 4, you're working on today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. And then on Thursday, I'm going to be posting some more notes to help you with slides 5, 6, and 7. So hopefully you're getting through at least up to here, slide 7, by Thanksgiving. So slide 5, you should be labeling this map. So you have to go to the insert and insert shapes. So you're going to be using things like arrows and other shapes to kind of label the map. So make sure you're reading these directions. You're labeling the cities, the regions, and then adding the arrows of when is and where Islam was spreading. So it started on the Arabian Peninsula, but when did it spread east, west, north, and to all the regions here? And make sure you're answering the question in the blue box. So remember, anytime there's a blue box, that's where you're typing things in. So here you're labeling the map, writing in the box. And then for slides 6 and 7, the notes are really going to come in handy for these. So in the notes slides, there is a chart about the first caliphs, and then there is some information on what the cause of the division of the Sunni Shia split in Islam was. So if there's anything that isn't really fleshed out in the notes, like very specific in the notes, obviously you can still use the links that are in this digital notebook to help you out too. But hopefully those notes that I'm posting are really giving you the succinct, straightforward information that you need to be able to fill out all of these slides of the digital notebook. So in terms of assignments for this week, you don't have to turn anything in other than the do nows. So the do nows are either you're watching the video or you're answering a question, and then you're making sure that you're working on at least one page of this digital notebook every day. So getting the vocab done today, getting at least slide 3 done by Tuesday, slide 4 done by Wednesday, and then slide 5 by Thursday. Use Friday to get caught up on those slides, and then slide 6 and slide 7 are what you're going to do on Monday and Tuesday of next week. So we don't have any class on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week for Thanksgiving. So you can also use that break time to get caught up on these things. So just a reminder, the end of the quarter is this Friday. So I'm not going to be putting this notebook grade into the grade book for this quarter. This is going to be your first grade for the next quarter. So make sure you're keeping up with this. Make sure any missing assignments that you have, that you're getting those turned in by Friday, so I can get those graded and into your first quarter grade. If you guys have any questions, as always, please send me an email. I can hop on Google Meet with you and chat and explain more in detail about directions. If you need it, just let me know. All right. Thank you guys and have a great week.